Hi guys, I wanted to share an update on the circuit I was working on yesterday, which was my dynamic RAM module. This module provides 3 words of 4 bits each at the moment, and when I press the row select lines, you can see it fetching the content of the appropriate row into the data bus at the bottom of the module, and at the same time it refreshes the DRAM cells, so if they've faded, they get back to full brightness again. Now, one of the issues I had yesterday was that the right-hand row was discharging quicker than the other rows, and overnight I figured out what that was. So on the very right-hand side of each of the DRAM cells, there's a row of breadboard that is actually only connected to the sources of a pair of MOSFETs. So that row is floating. In all of the other cells, that row is adjacent to a power line. But in this right-hand row of cells, it was right on the edge. And I believe what was happening was it was just achieving some form of capacitance with the adjacent breadboard row, or something like that. I don't know exactly. But my hunch was that if I just tied that breadboard row to power, just like all the other ones have the adjacent row tied to power, that the problem would go away. And that does seem to fix the problem. So now you can see that those cells don't discharge any quicker than any of the others now. So that's nice. There's obviously some randomness to it. There's variances in all of the components, particularly the capacitors. But yeah, that works a lot better now. And I can still refresh them even when they've gone out like that as well. And that was with all of the data lines low as well, which used to bring it down much quicker. Just as another demonstration, I can program 1 into the top row maybe, I can program 2 into the next row down, and I'll put, I don't know, 13 in the bottom row, let's say. So that's 1, 2 and 13. Oops, I seem to have got an extra one in there. So that's 1, 2 and 13. And it will maintain that very consistently, and if I fetch the top row I get 1, second row I get 2, third row I get 13. So yeah, this is working even better now, so I'm pleased with that. Looking forward to expanding it to a larger array and connecting it to a computer. If you're interested in more details on this, then please do let me know in the comments below. I'd encourage you to also watch the other videos I've made in this series, which go through the theory behind it and also show how to build it.